Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Najmi bin Sukri. Today I'm going to present my presentation about my business plan for subject of ENT 300. So let's get it. I as owner decided to open a combination of coffee and bakery shop and also put my front name as the name of the business that I want to make, which is AR Coffee and Bakery. My slogan for this type of business is smooth out your day and every day. And now I will talk about business vision. Business vision of AR Coffee and Bakery is to establish AR Coffee and Bakery as the best premier provider of finest coffee in affordable price. Besides that, the business mission for AR Coffee and Bakery is to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time, but also provide solutions to satisfy our customer needs to providing them quality, flexible, yet affordable fresh coffee and pastry and delivered on time. This is organization chart for AR Coffee and Bakery. The manager and barista is me, Arif Najmi, where the cashier baker is Ain and the other bakers is Aina and Rania. And the new barista is for AR Coffee and Bakery is Arash. Marketing plan for AR Coffee and Bakery. The first one is AR Coffee and Bakery is focused on area 50 km in order to promote all the product that's made at AR Coffee and Bakery such as coffee and pastry. It is because AR Coffee and Bakery are focusing in their customer segment and their business in city like Pasir Gudang. And one more thing, this show that Pasir Gudang have such a place like a Taman Cenana and Taman Bukit Dahlia that have a less competitive advantage. And the second one is AR Coffee and Bakery have its own market share, which is their market share is Tesco, Maiden Mall, Shell, Aeon Mall, weddings and other events. And with all of this, product of AR Coffee and Bakery can be known to the people that live in Johor. This table shows about how the production process of coffee have been started. Processing coffee is a big thing and it's extremely important in determining how the coffee comes out as a finished product. We use the word processing to refer to every stage of the coffee making process, from harvesting the coffee cherries by hand picking them off the plant to the time when the coffee beans are finished off so they can be shivered. The coffee bean is actually a seed inside the coffee cherry and the cherry fruit must be separate from the bean properly. For this, we can use one of three methods, which is natural, semi-wash, and wash. So, it shows this method that's bring out extraordinarily clean cup with a delicate yet crisp flavor and a marked acidity to it. Okay, right now this picture show about how the process of baking in shop happen. Baking is a method of preparing food that use dry heat, normally in an oven. The art of baking remains a fundamental skill and is important for nutrition as baked goods, especially breads, are a common and important foods, both from an economy and cultural point of view. Is marketing strategies for AR Coffee and Bakery. For service quality, AR Coffee and Bakery will provide something that can attract more customers to come and buy something from this shop. It is because the price is more cheaper than others coffee shop. Besides that, customer can custom their coffee according to their own taste. This thing can make the customer will like to come and enjoy their coffee in this shop. And the second one is price. The definition of price strategy refers to the method of business used to the price their product or service. The objective was to produce products that are more cheaper than other branch coffee shop and bakery shop. With this price, There will lot of coffee and pastry lover will come to grab their coffee and pastry for any time that they want. And the last one is place. For public information, Pasir Gudang is the famous with their industry town in Johor. So AR Coffee and Bakery intending to open the business in this city because Pasir Gudang have a lot residential area. Besides that, AR Coffee focus on area 50 km in order to promote all products that made at AR Coffee and Bakery.